What is the best online earning websites? There are many websites that offer opportunities for individuals to earn money online. The best website for you will depend on your skills, interests, and goals. Here are a few options to consider. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to offer your services as a freelancer in a variety of fields, such as writing, graphic design, and data entry. Online tutoring and teaching. Websites like VIPKid and iTutor allow you to teach English or other subjects to students online. Survey websites. Websites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks pay users to complete surveys and other small tasks. Online marketplaces. Websites like Etsy and eBay allow you to sell your own products or services online. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services from other companies on your own website or social media, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a type of work in which individuals offer their services on a project-by-project basis, rather than working as an employee for a company. Freelancers are self-employed and are responsible for finding their own clients and projects. They are often paid on a per-project basis and have the flexibility to choose which projects they want to work on. Freelancers can work in a variety of fields, including writing, graphic design, web development, and consulting. Many freelancers use websites like Upwork and Freelancer to find clients and projects. But it is also possible to find freelance work through networking and marketing oneself directly to potential clients. Freelancers are responsible for managing their own time, setting their own rates, and handling their own taxes and other business expenses. What is survey websites? Survey websites are websites that pay users to complete surveys, polls, and other types of market research. These websites typically pay users in cash or rewards, such as gift cards or merchandise, for their participation. Survey websites can be a good way for individuals to earn some extra money in their spare time. But it's important to keep in mind that the amount of money that can be earned through these websites is typically quite small. Surveys may also require a significant amount of time to complete, and it can be difficult to qualify for all of the available surveys. Some popular survey websites include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and InboxDollars. What is online marketplaces? Online marketplaces are websites that allow individuals or businesses to buy and sell products or services online. These websites typically provide a platform for sellers to list their products or services and for buyers to browse and purchase these items. Some popular online marketplaces include Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. These websites offer a wide range of products and services, from electronics and clothing to handmade crafts and vintage items. Selling on online marketplaces can be a good way for individuals and small businesses to reach a larger audience and potentially earn some extra money. However, it's important to keep in mind that there may be fees associated with using these platforms, and sellers are responsible for managing their own inventory, shipping, and customer service. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's marketing efforts. Affiliates typically promote products or services from other companies on their own website, social media, or other online platforms, and earn a commission for each sale made through their referral. Affiliate marketing can be a good way for individuals or businesses to earn additional income by promoting products or services they believe in. It's also important to be transparent with your audience about your involvement in affiliate marketing and to only promote products or services that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience. So that's the end of today's video, but you have to share with me that which online platform do you like the most. Goodbye.